Do I really have a weak mindset? This man named Jack asked himself when he met a tiger in the woods. A tiger fall. A weak mindset can hold you back from achieving your goals, Jack, and also from fulfilling your potential. Shall we see the signs of your weak mindset and see how you could change that? Well, the first, Jack said, I have a lot of negative self-talk. I constantly criticize myself and focus on my weaknesses. This can be perhaps a sign of a weak mindset. Yes, indeed. Instead, try to focus on your strength and accomplishments, Tiger said. The second sign of a weak mindset of Jack was that his mindset was fixed, as he actually admitted. If you believe that your abilities and intelligence are fixed and cannot be improved, it can limit your growth and development. A growth mindset, on the other hand, recognizes that skills and abilities can be developed through hard work and practice. And this is what helps Jack on the way forward. Jack also admits his fear of failure. I am afraid to take risks or try new things, Jack said, because I may fail. And this is definitely a sign of a weak mindset. Jack, failure is a natural part of the learning process and can help you grow and improve. Jack also further said, I give up really easily when I face the obstacles and setbacks. That's called a lack of resilience, Jack. That's another sign of weak mindset. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and persevere in the face of challenges. Blaming others, if you consistently blame others, Jack, your problems and your failures will not be resolved. You cannot blame others for your problems or failures. Take responsibility for your actions, learn from it, face them, and then don't repeat them again. That's that aspect of personal growth. Jack also further said and admitted his inflexibility. When I'm unable or unwilling to adapt to the new situations or ideas, it seems like I'm stuck, Jack said. Being open to new perspectives and ideas, Jack, can help you grow and learn. My weak mindset further goes into lack of self-awareness. I am aware that I am unaware of my own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors sometimes, and this is a sign of weak mindset. Developing self-awareness can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and make positive changes in your life. As Jack admitted, yes, there are few things he can do on the way forward to improve his life for better. Weak mindset can be changed and improved. One has to take action towards it, take step-by-step process, and go ahead with improvements. Hope you get motivation from Jack's story, and we wish Jack all the best and luck with fixing his weak mindset for a better lifestyle.